I'm sure that you have seen these would you rather videos on YouTube and TikTok or Instagram. To be honest, these types of videos are really high engaging and a lot of people love to watch them. And it's very easy to get a lot of views and subscribers for a channel like this. Let's see example channel. Channel's name is Brainist. It has over 20,000 subscribers with only 40 videos. They have started this channel in April 2023. Since they have only posted long videos, and that means they are making a lot of money through this channel. Now one of the most important questions, can we monetize a channel like this? The simple answer is yes, but you need to follow these exact steps in order to monetize this channel. For the steps, we'll use some AI tools as well. So without further ado, let's get started right away. We are going to create a would you rather videos version of superheroes. Means we can make comparisons between two superheroes. Let's start with ChatGPT. Follow these steps. I have made this special prompt to generate these questions. I'll put the prompt in the description. You can just simply copy it. As you can see, I have asked ChatGPT to create 5 comparisons between two superheroes that will make viewers engage with the comment section, and that will give the video high retention rate, and that means it will go viral. Then I ask it to give random percentage of how many people are likely to respond. Now you need to get a blue background and a red background or an image. After you get that, open video editing software. Any video editing software will work because this is really simple video editing. I'll use CapCut, it's completely free. Then select a color image. I'll select red. Then go to size ratio and change the size ratio to 9:16 because that's the ratio for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. After you do that, go to add overlay and add the blue image. Put it half down like this, then go to text and add this hyphen, then zoom it like this. Then we need a character images. Since I'm working with Spider-Man and Thor, let's get their images from Google. After you get them, you need to add a timer clock. You can get a stock video or download commercial use from videos on YouTube. After that, place the clock right in the middle, add Spider-Man and Thor, one on the top and one at the bottom. After you do that, we'll go to 11 Labs for AI voices. But if you wanna use CapCut's text to voice, feel free to do so. Sign up for 11 Labs and I will use this voice. Then select the comparisons we generated with ChatGPT and paste it here. Now download it and add it to CapCut's timeline. After that, add the text like this. Now you need some background music. You can use Pixabay for copyright-free music. Add a clock ticking sound and the intense background music. If you did everything well, you'll end up with a decently well edited video. Now export it and you're good to go. You can upload this to YouTube or TikTok and Instagram. I hope you learned a new thing from this video. If you liked it, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.